Session 23 of Unit 2 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about computation of advance tax and interest thereon for non-payment. The learning objectives are to understand the computation of advance tax, to understand the interest for non-payment of advance tax. The session outcomes are to understand how much advance tax is payable and the interest chargeable for not paying advance tax. Advance payment of tax are also called as pay as you earn scheme. It means that SSC has to pay tax simultaneously along with the earning of his income. So when an individual earns his income, at the same time he needs to pay the tax to the government, which is called as advance tax. This tax is paid on the current year's income in the same year. It is paid as advance and it is called advance payment of tax. Liability of payment of advance tax. Under section 207, advance tax shall be payable during any financial year in respect of the total income of the SSC, which would be chargeable to tax for the assessment year immediately following that financial year, and it shall be called as current income. However, an individual resident in India shall not be liable to pay advance tax if he fulfills the following conditions. That is, he does not have any income chargeable under the head profits and gains of business or profession, and he is of the age of 60 years or more at any time during the previous year. Condition of liability to pay advance tax, section 208. Advance tax shall be payable during a financial year in every case where the amount of such tax payable by the SSC during that year as computed in accordance with the provisions of the advance tax is rupees 10,000 or more. Computation of advance tax. There are two situations where computation can be done by the SSC and computation by the assessing officer. Computation by the SSC himself shall compute the advance tax that is payable on his estimated current income at the rates in force in the financial year and deposit the same whether or not he has earlier assessed to tax or not. In the second case, computation by assessing officer, where a person has already been assessed by way of regular assessment and who has not paid any advance tax. The assessing officer will take the total income of the latest assessed previous year or the total income returned by the SSC for any subsequent previous year, whichever is higher, and on such income tax will be calculated at the rates in force in the financial year. The income tax calculated in both the cases, 1 as well as 2, that is by the SSC or by the assessing officer, as the case shall be, in each case be reduced by the amount of tax deductible or collectible at source during the financial year from any income which has been taken into account in computing the current income or total income, and the balance will be the amount of advance tax payable. Regarding net agricultural income, this is to be taken into account, where in the case of any class of SSCs, net agricultural income has to be taken into account for computing advance tax. Such income will be added to the aforesaid income and tax shall be computed. Interest for default in payment of advance tax. So in case if the SSC fails to pay the advance tax, this is under section 234B. If an SSC who is liable to pay advance tax has failed to pay such tax, or where the advance tax paid under section 210 is less than 90% of the assessed tax, he shall be liable to pay a simple interest at the rate of 1% for every month or part of a month. The interest shall be charged from 1st April next following such financial year to the date of determination of income under section 143 subsection 1 or the regular assessment on an amount equal to the assessed tax or on the amount by which the advance tax paid as aforesaid falls short of the assessed tax, as the case may be. Recap of this session. We have studied regarding payment of advance tax, that is during the current year. Whenever the income is earned by an assessee, he needs to pay the advance tax. Liability to pay advance tax under section 207 and section 208. If the advance tax when the computation of tax is 10,000 or more, then the person is liable to pay advance tax. Interest for default in payment of advance tax. If the individual fails to pay the advance tax, then he has to pay a simple interest of 1% per month or the part of the month. References.